Hi, my name is Romano Roth, and today we are going to look at the 3 ways how to introduce DevOps. In my previous video I showed you the first way how to introduce DevOps. In this video we are now going to look at the second way how to introduce DevOps. Let's quickly recap. In my first video I showed you how the first way of introducing DevOps works. It is getting value as fast as possible from the development or from the business into the operation, to the customer or into the production. The second way to introduce DevOps is getting feedback as fast as possible from the customer, from production or from operation back to the development of business. We want to do that to have quality at the source. We want to have quality at the source because only with that information we can do the right decisions here. And we need to have that so that we can have constant feedback from production. We do that by using telemetry and also user feedback from production so that we can build here the right things, so that we can prioritize the features correctly and accordingly to the user feedback and also to the telemetry. A second goal which we have is to get knowledge. And again here we need to have data from production or from the customer side to have that knowledge so that we can detect problems as early as possible when they are happening or even before they are happening in production. But it's not only about problem detection, we also detect potential opportunities with this knowledge that we get by having feedback from production. And we also want to have a great customer experience or a user experience, and for that we need to have an automated recovery mode. So there are always things that happen in production where things are going bad. You cannot prevent that, but when something happens you want to have an automated recovery so that the customer experience or the user experience is not affected. The whole feedback loop is usually done, for example, by using tools like Google Analytics, or when you're on an on-prem mode, then you use tools like Pivik or such stuff. So quickly recap, the second way to introduce DevOps is get feedback as fast as possible from the customer side, from production back to the development or to the business.